Hi guys, so I was sent this lovely Soviet Union shirt. Very sought after and original. But it didn't always look like this. So here's a little video of what I did to sort it out, especially this. Hiya, welcome back. I thought I'd show you this absolute classic that I've been sent to give a little facelift to. Not sure I can do too much to the badge, but the owner has asked me to just kind of try and secure it as much as possible, so I'll do a little something to that. Main thing though is this sponsor, so done my usual paper test prints, and I think we're about ready to apply, so see you in a sec. So still cracked, but now all secure and down. Started on the Adidas and having to do all of that while listening to this. The joys of parenthood.